So hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss what are the different kind of joins in SQL Server. Okay. So and what are joins? So basically, a join is a clause which is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the related column between them. So what does this mean? So this means that join is a SQL clause. Okay, which is used to combine two tables. Let's say if you have a two tables, table A and table B. Okay, and if you want to join them and pick up some report which is based on both the tables, then you can use this particular join. Okay, so let's move forward and check what are the things we can do using the join clause. So yes, so what are types of joins in SQL? So basically in Microsoft SQL Server, we have five types of join, which are inner join, left join, right join, full join, and cross join. And many people are confused in this thing, that what is left outer join and right outer join and full outer join. Okay, so basically both the left join and left outer join, right join and right outer join, full join and full outer join, all both of them, these things are similar. Okay, so basically in PL SQL this particular term is used, that left outer join, right outer join, to denote these left join and right join as they are outer joins. Okay, so basically both of them are similar thing, so don't confuse in this thing. Okay, so now let's move forward and check what are the joins. So basically first join is the inner join. So what does it do? So inner joins combine records from two tables whenever there are matching values in a field common to both of the table. Okay, matching values in a field which are common to both of the table. So this means that if you have given two tables, table A and table B, and you want to join those table on a column basis, on one field basis, field and column are the same things. Okay, so on column basis, so the inner join will provide you the common result between both of the table, only the common results. Okay, so here from the diagram you can also see that there are two tables, table A and table B. So this particular, the colored section is the result of inner join, which is common in both of the tables, table A and table B. Okay, now let's move to other one. So left join or left outer join. Okay, so what does the left join do? So the left join keyword returns all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. Okay, so all the results from the left table and the matching results from the right table. Okay, and the result is zero record from the right side if there is no matching record. Okay, so what this means, that there is no record, no result will come if there are no matching record in right table. So for right side only. Okay, so left, it will provide all the data from left side, left table, and all the matching rows, matching records from the right table. So here you can see the formula for left join. So basically left join, what does it do? So it will provide you the inner join plus all the records from the left table which are not available in the right table. Okay, so from the diagram you can also see there are two tables, table A and table B. So the left join is providing all the records from the left table which are not in the right table and the common results between left and right table. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So we have right join or right outer join. Okay, so what does the right join do? Basically the right join do also the same thing but for the right table. Okay, so let's see this. The right join command returns all the rows from the right table and the matching records from the left table. Okay, all the records from the left table, right table, and the matching records from the left table. So the result is null from the left side when there is no match. Okay, so clear. So you can use this particular formula to remember this: right join, inner join plus all the records from right table which are not available in the left table. Okay, so it's clearly mentioned in the diagram that we have two tables, table A and table B, and you can see it will the right join is providing all the records from the right table which are not in left table, and also the inner join results, means all the common results between table A and table B. Okay, so clear to everyone. Let's move to the next one. So now we have full join or full outer join. So basically what is the full join? Okay, so the full join basically returns all records from the left table and also from the right table. All records from the left table and also the right table from the right table. So what it does, it will provide you all the records from the right table and left table and also the common records. Okay, okay. So from the diagram it is clear that, see this, the diagram, we have table A and table B, And the full join, what it is providing, it is providing all the records from the left table and all the records from the right table and also the common records. Okay, so to remember this full join, you can see this formula. So it will provide first you the inner join and all the records from the left table which are not available in right table, plus all the records from the right table which are not in the left table. Okay, so it is clear. So now let's move to the other one. So we have now cross join. Okay, so cross join is a bit different from all others, so let's see what it does. Okay, so cross join are used to combine each row from one table with each row from another table and returns the Cartesian product of the sets of row from the table that are joined. Okay, so basically cross join is doing nothing. Cross join is doing the Cartesian product of the each row of left table and each row of right table. Cartesian product means what? See from the diagram. So we have two tables, table A and table B. Table A has three rows and table B has three rows. So basically cross join what does? It will multiply all the records, all the rows from left table with all the rows from the right table. Okay. So to means remember this, you can use this particular formula, number of rows in table 1 into number of rows into table 2. Okay, so we will now go to the practical session and check all of them working and also discuss the means basic interviews question that are asked on top of the join clause. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you have not understand anything, it will be clear once you go through the practical process. Okay. Okay, so let's check this. So basically this kind of questions will be asked to students in the what interviews. So what they do, basically they will provide you two tables like this, table 1 and table 2. Let me first remove these things. I will show it to you. Basically I was practicing before taking this class. So it was there only. Let me remove this. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, yes. So basically what happened in the interviews, they will provide you two tables like table 1 and table 2, like this kind of tables, and tell you to find out the results in all of the joins like inner join, left join, right join, full join and cross join. Okay, so basically how SQL works in case of joins, we will discuss this. So basically what do SQL do? It will take each record from the left table and match that particular record with each record from the right table. Okay, so basically by default means SQL will take the first table as the left table and the second table as the right table. Okay, so what here? So let's take the example of inner join. So what do it do? The record of inner join in this particular table is like, so first it will pick, SQL will pick the first record from the left table which is 1 and match it with each record from the records of right table. Okay, so 1 it matches with 1, so it matches, so it will provide one record. Okay, then again 1 it matches with 1. Okay, so in this case also one record. Now 1 don't matches with 2. Okay, so in this case no record, 0. And again 1 don't match with 2, then 0. Okay, so similarly 1 is not matching 5, so 0 record, and 1 is not matching 4, so 0, and 1 is not matching null, so 0 record. Okay, and similarly, so how much record it will give? First record will give you 2 results. Okay, so 2, then again with it will pick the second record from the left table and matches with each record from the right table. So 1 is matching 1, so similarly 1 result, 1 is again matching 1, so similarly 1 result, and again it is not matching with others, so 0 record. So in this case also we will get 2 results. Okay, again it will pick the third result from the left table and matches with each of the record from right table. So here the record is 1, so the same case will be there, then 2 records. Okay, now take this one, so it will pick up the fourth result which is 2, so 2 don't match with 1. Okay, so in this case 0, and again 2 don't matches with 1, so again 0. Okay, but now 2 matches with 2, so 1 result in this case. Then again 2 matches with 2, so again 1 record for this case, and again 2 is not matching 5, so 0, not matching with 4, so 0, and null, so 0. So here also we will getting 2 results. Okay, now again 3 is not matching any of them, so 0 for all of them. Okay, so here it will provide you 0 result. Okay, so again 3 is not matching any of the cases, so 0, and 3 again is not matching with any of the cases, so 0. So here comes the tricky part, is null matches null or not? So be clear in this, many people are confused in this particular thing. So null is the undefined value, okay, non-defined value. So one null is never equals to another null, okay. So null is not equals to null because all of them are undefined, so they have no definition, okay. So null never matches with null, so 0 record from here also, for here also. Okay, so for inner join case, it will total provide you 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 8 record it will provide. Okay, now let's move to the SQL Server Management Studio and we will check it in the editor itself. Okay, so here I have created two tables. The table are of on the name of my channel. So yes, so what we have a table abcacho1 which has 9 rows. Let me execute this. So see this, these 9 records, and table abcacho2 which has 7 rows. Okay, so these are the same result that we have taken in the example. Okay, now we will go and check the case of left, right and outer join, all joins here. So first we have done the inner join. Okay, now do this comment. Actually I have written all the queries before only, so that the video will not go longer. Okay, so now yes, uncomment this and we will execute this. So basically in the case of inner join, if we mention only join, then that is also fine, both will work as same, or also we can mention inner join. Okay, so this will not make any difference to your query, so you can also use inner join or join. Okay, so now do the join. Okay, so let's see here, we are getting 8 results. Okay, similarly that we have mentioned, so for inner join case we are getting 8 records. Okay, now let's move to the other join. So what we have here, now we have left join. So actually, as we have discussed previously, what does the left join do? So left join will first provide you the inner join, and then it will provide all the records from the left table which are not present in right table. Okay, so what it will do, so basically 8 results we will get because it will do the inner join first, and then it will provide you all the non-matching records from the left table which are not present in the right table. So which are these? So these are this 3 3 3 and null null, so basically 5. Okay, so left join case it will be 8 plus 5 equals to 13 records it will provide you. Okay, now let's move to SSMS. We will check the record. Let's comment this one and go for this. I have also written this query, so let's uncomment this left join query and execute this. Okay, let's see here, we get the 13 records. What it does, so you will check the, as we are doing the left join, so you will check the left table. Basically I'm means what, requesting for the star record, so it will provide all the table, all the columns from both the tables. So yes, you will check the first one in case of left join. So what it is doing, till 8th record it is doing the inner join. Okay, and then after it has provided all the non-matching results from the left table, and these nulls which are coming in the right table are nothing but the null values. Okay, not the records, these are the null values, means the values are not present, that's why it is providing the null. So don't consider this particular thing. So you need to consider only these, the till 8th record it has inner join plus all the records which are not in right table but available in the left table. Okay, clear to everyone? So let's comment this and move to other join. Okay, now what we have right join. Okay, so in right join what we have discussed, that it will provide you all the common results from right and left table, and those results which are present in right table and not available in left table. Okay, so basically 8 record it will provide anyhow, and then all those non-matching records from right table which are not available in left table. So what are these? So these are 5 4 and null, so 3 records. So 8 plus 3 equals to total 11 record it will provide you. Okay, so let's move to SSMS and we will check the record here. Okay, so come and uncomment this right join query and run this. So see this right join I'm doing here. So let's execute this particular query. Okay, so see this, we are getting 11 records. So now in this case you will check the table 2 records which are right, because we are doing right join, so we will check the records for right table. Okay, So here also, as you can see, till 8th record it has done the what inner join, and after that it has provided all those records which are available in right table but not available in the left table. And similarly here the null are those values which are not present, so don't consider this. Okay, so clear to everyone, all the inner join plus all the records from right table which are not available in left table. Okay, now comment this and let's move for the next one, which is our full join. Okay, so basically what we have discussed for full join, that it will provide all the records from left table and all the records from right table and also the common results. Okay, so basically first it will do the inner join, anyhow it will provide 8 records. Okay, and then after it will provide all the non-matching records from left table, which are these 3 3 and null null, so plus 5, and also all the records non-matching records from right table, which are 5 4 and null, so plus 3. Okay, so basically it will provide you 16 records. Okay, so let's move to the SSMS. We will check the record here. Let's uncomment this full join query and execute this. Okay, so see here we are getting 16 records. Okay, so what it has done, till 8th record it has done the inner join, and after that it has provided all the non-matching records from the left table 3 3 null null, and then after from here it has provided all the non-matching records for right table. Okay, so and total it has provided 16 records. Okay, clear to everyone. So let's comment this and move to, this is uncommented, comment this and move to the other one, which is our cross join. Okay, so as we have discussed what the cross join is doing, so cross join is basically providing us the Cartesian product. So Cartesian product is nothing but what it is doing, it is taking all the rows from left table and multiplying each of the record from each of the record from the right table. Okay, so one, it will take one and multiply it with 1 1 2 2 5 4 and null, so all from all the records from right table. Okay, so what will be the result here? So for each cases it will provide, as we have 7 column in right table, so it will multiply each record from a left table to the right table, so it will provide you 7 record for each of them. 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 and 7. So in total how much record it will provide? So as it has done the Cartesian product and we have 9 columns for left table and 9 rows for left table and 7 rows for right table, so basically it will provide you 9 into 7 record, which means 63 record it will provide you total. Okay, so let's move to SSMS and we will check the record here. Okay, so let's uncomment this cross join query, uncomment and execute this. Okay, let's see here. We are getting total 63 records for cross join. Okay, so let me get it bigger. Okay, so we are checking, see this, it is providing you 63 records. Okay, clear to everyone. So basically cross join is doing the multiple of each rows from left table to each rows from right table. Okay, so yes. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, friends, and do like, share and subscribe. And we are means making more and more videos, so all the videos are on the way. And basically we have also means what started a master series of SQL on our channel, so be ready for that also. Basically we have done the SQL Server Management Studio and SQL Server Data Engine installation and all, so we are proceeding on that part, working on that, so be ready for that also. And for online trainings you can contact on the given number here. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so thank you friends, and for checking our videos and our channel you can simply go on YouTube and search for the SQL tutorial ABKCHO, which is our channel name, and simply click search, then you will find our channel here, and you can check for the playlist. So in the playlist we have this particular Microsoft SQL Server Master Series in English, and if means it will go fine and people will recommend, then we will also going to prepare a full series on Hindi also, and we will also post all the videos in Hindi if you people will suggest. So yes, and we have also discussed some of the errors which basically many people will face, common errors which many people will face while means logging into that SQL Server authentication mode. So go and check all these things, and thank you for watching and keep watching. and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thank you.